So you want to make money during the FIFA World Cup 2026? Well, one way to do so is to sell digital products. But you might be thinking, what digital products? What digital products can you create and sell to make money during the FIFA World Cup 2026? Well, I'm going to share with you some ideas. You can use them as they are, change them up as you see fit, or use it to inspire you to come up with your own. Ready? Let's go. Number one, FIFA World Cup 2026 Ultimate Fan Planner. Right? You can do it in a digital PDF or you can do it in Notion. A premium digital planner that helps fans track match schedules, favorite teams, group stages, knockout rounds, time zones, stadium locations, and personal predictions. Includes daily match reminders, goal trackers, betting notes, and social media content ideas. Why it will go viral? Fans love planning and predicting outcomes. Shareable screenshots of predictions on social media. Influencer friendly. YouTubers, TikTok, football creators. So, an ultimate fan player can go crazy. An ultimate fan planner can go crazy because people want outcome, people want to track what's going on, etc. And especially if they're doing it with their friends, their buddies, etc. And if you can be the one providing that, and you can sell these not just on your own website, you can use System.io, you can use Stan, you can use free websites that are out there, as well as you can sell it on Amazon, you can sell it on Gumroad, you can sell it on Etsy. There are places you can sell that already have audience, millions of people searching. So go ahead, create a digital product, sell it, make that money. And if you can be in the middle of all that planning people are doing, you're going to cash in big time. World Cup 2026 match schedule and wall chart bundle. A beautifully designed printable and digital wall chart featuring all 48 teams, group stages, knockout rounds, and finals. Optimized for home, office, schools, bars, and cafes. It will go viral because it's printable, which means match sharing. It's perfect for families, schools, and sports bars. High seasonal demand. Now, this is something that many people will want to have. Even if it's just to put up in their rooms, on their walls, in the workplaces during the World Cup. It's going to cost a lot of gathering, a lot of celebrations, a lot of partying to have this chart right there, and especially if your team is winning. So go ahead, be part of the fun, create this chart, get the copyrights. If you're going to be using people's images and pictures, get the copyright so that there are no legal issues, and start making that money. FIFA World Cup 2026 betting and prediction tracker. Can use Excel or Google Sheets to create this, or any other means as you see fit. A smart spreadsheet that auto calculates wins, losses, return on investment, odds tracking, and prediction accuracy. It includes pre-built formulas and beginner-friendly instructions. It will go viral because betting content explodes during World Cup. Highly shareable among friend groups, works worldwide. You know a lot of people are going to be betting on matches. And if you can cash in by giving them a way of increasing their chances of winning, how to increase their chances of predicting the outcome, you're gonna be making some serious dough during that time because people will be betting. There's no question about that. That's why I have all these betting apps all over the place, because people will be betting. And if you can cash in from providing such a service to give odds and accuracies, etc., you can cash in. So go ahead, explore it, follow whatever rules there need to be followed, and start making money. A World Cup 2026 social media content pack with reels, captions, and hashtags. A ready to use content kit for creators, brands, and influencers. Viral hooks, match day captions, trending hashtags, story templates, meme prompts. Why it will go viral? because content creators need speed. Businesses want engagement during matches. Perfect for TikTok and Instagram. Now, this World Cup 2026 social media package that you're going to put together is because during the match, everybody wants to make money. Right? So if restaurants can just get a already done for you package, they have to put in just their information and put it out there on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc. That's good. Saves them time and they're cashing in because you already done work for them. They're just putting in the unique information that is specific to them. So if you can make life easy for them, make life easy for content creators, go ahead, make life easy and cash in while you're doing it. FIFA World Cup 2026 AI prompt pack. That's ChatGTP and Midjourney. You know, Midjourney is good at images and ChatGTP is good at everything, so to speak. A collection of AI prompts to instantly generate match previews, player analysis, fantasy football tips, viral tweets, YouTube scripts. And it will go viral because AI plus World Cup equal explosive interest. Appeals to creators, bloggers, and marketers. So creators, bloggers, and marketers are going to love this. Why would they love it? Because yes, ChatGTP is there, but if you don't input the correct prompt to get the maximum outcome, you're not going to get it. But if you already is good at ChatGPT, you've been getting the result, share it with others. Put in all the prompts, a nice cheat sheet. They download it, they purchase it, they download it, they follow it, they get the results they want in seconds, and everybody is happy. You're making money and you're helping them to make money because you're giving them the prompt that's going to make life very easy for them. They just put it in, boom, get the results, and now they're happy. So go ahead, help others to become happy and make money from it. World Cup 2026 Kids Activity and Coloring Book. And this is a digital version. A fun digital book featuring team flags, stadium illustrations, word searches, match day coloring pages, player jersey designs. It will go viral because players search heavily during tournaments. Schools and homeschoolers love it. Evergreen for the event. So you know that children are going to be out for the summer holiday. If you can help to create activities for them, parents are going to love you. Even parents who are not even interested in football, who are even not even interested in soccer, who are not even interested in sports, will purchase these things to keep their children occupied, keep them engaged. And if you have parents who are already fans of this sports and want them children to be more engaged in it, more involved in it, a coloring book and other activities is a great way to get them in it. And it's fun because it's not like they're sitting down reading tons of newspapers and statistics. And no, it's a fun game they're playing and they're learning at the same time. And if you can help to create that fun for these kids, you will be cashing in. So go ahead. It's a lot more involved, it's a lot more work, but usually the effort is worth it when you see the rewards coming in. FIFA World Cup 2026 Travel and Stadium Guide. USA, Canada, and Mexico. A digital guide covering all host cities, stadium seating tips, transportation hacks, budget travel advice, local food, and fun zones. And it will go viral because the first 3-country World Cup ever, massive tourism search volume, useful for international fans. So people will appreciate a travel stadium guide. Now, next thing you can do is a World Cup 2026 Fantasy Football Toolkit. An advanced toolkit including player performance trackers, captain selection formulas, injury and suspension alerts, match difficulty ratings. And it will go viral because fantasy football community explode during tournaments, competitive sharing, and bragging rights. Carefully. Fantasy football is exploding already. Esports is exploding already. So if you can capitalize on this, that is already happening already. Plus, the FIFA World Cup 2026 is gonna add ethos to this. It's gonna add more engagement to this. It's gonna add more wood to the fire. You are going to cash in. Do your homework, get it done right, start making money. World Cup 2026 merchandise design templates. Editable Canva templates for t-shirts, posters, stickers, mugs, social ads. Why it would sell? Because print on demand sellers need fast designs. Small businesses capitalize on trends. Now you don't have to use Canva. There are many other forms of software you can use for design. Some are free, some are paid, some are AI driven. So go ahead, use them, start making money. And print on demand is already an area that is cashing in for many people. Okay, you don't have to deal with the inventory. You just put up the image, connect it to the supplier do all the work, give you your money, everybody is happy. And finally, World Cup 2026 historical stats and records. A premium digital vault of past World Cup stats, legendary players, country performance history, records likely to break in 2026. While it will go viral, sports trivia and debate content. Great for YouTubers and bloggers. So there you have it. Different digital products that you can use, you can sell, you can create for the FIFA World Cup 2026 and make money. Of course, this is just a small list. There are various things you can do online and offline to make money for FIFA World Cup 2026. Just be honest and ethical about it, because you just don't want to make money just now for FIFA. You want to make money forever. And when people trust you and you're honest with people and you're genuine and authentic and what you produce is of value, you're going to be cashing in not just for FIFA, but for a long time. Now, if that's what you want, then make sure you approach it in such a way. Thank you for joining me. I am Leroy A. Brown from LeroyABrown.ca.